When I first started, I had zero experience. If you're gonna do this as a volunteer and you're gonna go get your firefighter one or whatever, you're basically getting a free education because the fire company pays for all that training for you. Same with being an EMT. Then you can make a career out of it or whatever you want to do. All right, my name's 𝗩cie𝗹𝘂𝗵𝗁. I'm the fire chief of Hamlin Fire Rescue. I've been here in Hamlin since 2008. I have been a firefighter for 30 years total. We do fire, we do rescue here, we do EMS here as well, so we're a very busy company. Tonight we're going to actually do some vehicle extrication in-house training. We're going to use the 𝗩cie𝗹𝘂𝗵𝗁 hydraulic tools, and we're going to show you how to rip a car apart. It's funny because, you know, you have all different age groups, you know. You got the younger ones, you got the middle-aged ones, you got the old ones, and, you know, some get along, some don't. You know, some will never get along, but, you know, it's fun though. Just because you're a member of a volunteer fire company doesn't mean you have to fight fire. It doesn't mean you have to answer, you know, calls. There's a lot of other things we do. Fundraising, we need help with fundraising, community events that we do. You know, so we're always looking for help for people to come in and do something. Give it a try. You know, come up and try it and run a couple calls and you'll see what it's like. And the deeper you get into it, the more interesting it is. When you get more involved in training, you get more involved in, you know, even in-house training. It's a lot of fun.